Is your headset microphone giving you trouble? This checklist will guide you through all the essential settings you need to check to get it working again. It's frustrating when your microphone stops working, especially when you need to jump into a call or start recording. We'll start with the basics and move to advanced troubleshooting. The most common issues are either no sound at all or the volume being too low. Often the fix is simpler than you think and involves a quick settings adjustment. Before diving into complex diagnostics, let's look at the absolute first things you should check in your system settings. We'll begin with the hardware. A lot of mic problems are solved right here, with simple physical checks. First, make sure your headset is fully plugged into the correct port. For 3.5mm jacks, it's often color-coded. For USB, try a different port to rule out a faulty connection. Next, check if your headset cable has an inline mute switch. These are very easy to accidentally toggle. Ensure it is switched to the quote, unmute position. If the hardware checks are clear, the next most likely culprit is your operating system settings. Let's look at Windows and Mac. Go to your sound settings and confirm that your headset microphone is selected as the default input device. Your OS might default to a built-in mic if available. Also within the sound settings, check the volume and boost levels for your microphone. If they are too low or muted, no one will be able to hear you. Sometimes the problem is isolated to just one application. We need to look at application-specific audio configurations. Make sure the application you're using, like Discord or Zoom, has permission to access your microphone. This is crucial for privacy settings in most modern operating systems. Many communication apps have a built-in microphone test feature. Use this to verify that the app is recognizing your input and showing activity. If you're still having issues, it might be deeper, related to drivers or software interference. This is where we get a little more technical. Outdated or corrupt audio drivers can prevent your mic from working. Try updating them through your device manager or reinstalling them entirely. Sometimes, other audio software can conflict with your headset mic. Try closing unnecessary audio-related applications or checking for third-party audio managers that might be overriding settings. By following these steps, you should have identified and fixed the issue with your headset microphone. It's usually one of the small, easily overlooked settings. Remember, check physical connections, then OS input settings and volume, then application permissions and device selection, and finally, your drivers. Before your next important call, always do a quick test call or use a voice recorder app to ensure everything is working perfectly. Happy communicating!